Crypto family, welcome back to the channel. Aaron here from the Bitcoin Bros coming back at you with another cryptocurrency video today. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We have new cryptocurrency videos coming out every single day. And in today's clip, we're going to be going over some free airdrops that you can farm to get some free crypto and make some money by just interacting with some of these test nets. And there's a lot of money to be made here, and you don't need any crypto at all. So make sure to stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you guys some of the top free airdrops in today's video and also going over some examples. That's what we're going to start with. You can see Aptos here, the APT token airdrop of $7,500 for participating in testnet is the best proof of that. The main criteria of the airdrop was to just basically fill out an application for Aptos incentivized testnet, and all you had to do was mint an Aptos 0 testnet NFT. For that, users receive between 150 and 450 APT. So you can do the math on that. Aptos is currently rated number 31 on CoinMarketCap, I believe, and it's trading at around $9. And back in January, it was up to $18. So users made thousands and thousands of dollars just opting into the testnet, interacting with the blockchain and getting free airdrops. And there's going to be a lot more of these coming out this year. 2024 will probably be the year of the airdrop as we continue to see the price of Bitcoin go up and continue to bring the price of a lot of these altcoins up. There was the Jupiter airdrop. That wasn't a free one. That was a couple of months ago, and people were making millions of dollars on this airdrop because they participated in the network before they had the crypto airdrop. And these ones are free, so you guys might as well do this if you have some time. You can definitely get involved in some of these projects. Here's another example here. This is the Zeta blockchain. The top participant who participated in the airdrop for Zeta got over $18,000. And Zeta is a pretty good blockchain. You can see over on CoinMarketCap, they have around a $480 million market cap, and people were getting $18,000 for just participating in a testnet. No money needed. So I'm gonna be going over our top ones that we see in the future that have some pretty good funding, and you guys can definitely take advantage of these. But before we get into that, make sure to check out our ebook here. This is the Bitcoin Bros Airdrop Spreadsheet. We have over 50 plus airdrops along with 9 free crypto airdrops and how you can take advantage of all these airdrops. Some of these require crypto, some of these require Ethereum, Solana, different networks. You may have to invest a little bit to take advantage of some of these airdrops, but we do have over 9 free crypto airdrops on this spreadsheet. It's only $30. You definitely spend the $30, take advantage of just the 9 free crypto airdrops. You'll make your money back plus more. So if you guys want to, you can check that out. There are a lot of guides over on Twitter, so you do have some other options if you want to search through them yourselves. But we put it all into an easy spreadsheet that you can follow these step by step, and it's very, very easy. So make sure to check that out. I'll have the link in the pinned comment section and also the description below. But let's go ahead and get into the first free airdrop. That will be Bearchain. Bearchain raised over $42 million with a valuation of around $420 million. So normally when these cryptos have valuations at around 420 million, just for example here, that means the coin market cap, the market cap is probably going to be higher than that. So this may be a $800 million market cap crypto, a $1 billion market cap crypto. So that just means that people who participate in this testnet will have a higher chance of getting more money because just the crypto is worth more. So if you want to participate in the Bear airdrop, it's pretty easy. You just have to participate in the testnet and deploy a smart contract. And there is a guide here. You guys just step through this guide. It tells you exactly what you need to do to take advantage of the Bearchain airdrop. And this will also be in the link in the description. I'm not going into this in depth. You guys can go through this step by step. It's very, very easy, and it takes less than 20 minutes. So Bearchain is definitely one you guys need to check out. The second one we're going to be talking about here is Metis DAO. This is a highly anticipated airdrop. And you can see here they're doing a test net for the second time. So this could be one that potentially gets you another $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, even if it only gets you a couple $100. You're just taking a couple minutes out of your day, interacting with these different crypto test nets. Metis is definitely one you guys should be looking into. So this will also be in the link in the description below. Really, really easy here, guys. I mean, this thread is very, very short, so I'm sure Metis, it's not going to take you very long to get through this test net here. And then the last one I want to tell you guys about is Quai Network. They raised $10 million, so definitely not as big as Bearchain, but this one isn't as popular as Bearchain. So if you do get in early on this one and you start to interact, you may potentially gain $5,000. So this is a way that you can, and just to go through this one and to show you how easy a lot of these are, all you have to do is create your own wallet, get some Quai, which is the fake Quai, is going to be the test net that they give you, put in your wallet address and enter and claim your tokens, open the Quai wallet, copy Quai wallet address, and then send any amount. And then all you have to do is run a node, which there's another guide right here, and I'm telling you, this will all be in the comment section below. Join their Discord, and that's it. That's all you guys have to do, and you could potentially gain $5,000. You know, just putting the time in and doing this and interacting with all these projects, you can make a lot of money. And like I said, over on our website, we do have a spreadsheet with over 9 free crypto airdrops. The guides are all on there. You simply just go through all those, and you'll be able to be incentivized to qualify for all these different airdrops. That could be anywhere upwards of $50,000 for all of these different free airdrops, depending on what the price of these tokens are when they do finally do the airdrops and how many people are participating in these test nets. Obviously, the test nets are not going to pay out as much as, you know, working on the main net using your own funds like the Jupiter airdrop and some of the other airdrops in the space. So take that for what it is, but these are completely free. You don't need any money. Anybody in the world can do this if they have an internet connection. That is the power of these free airdrops. So you should opt into these, try to get involved, and you could potentially get a couple $1,000s at worst. So make sure to check that out. And our ebook does have over 50 different airdrops. Like I said, only 9 of those are free. But if you do have crypto on the sideline, not doing anything, and you want to just interact with some of these protocols, you can do that and definitely get some free. So make sure to check that out. Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. Let us know which one of these airdrops you guys will be trying to get involved with in the comment section below. But I'm out. My name is Aaron from the Bitcoin Bros. I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your day.